Food preparation is an essential aspect of ensuring our safety and well-being. We are familiar with practices like rinsing fruits and vegetables to remove pesticides and thoroughly cooking raw meat. However, there are certain foods that pose a potential threat to our lives if prepared incorrectly. One such example is the fugu, also known as the pufferfish, which is highly poisonous and can be fatal if not prepared with utmost care. It's important to note that while some of these foods are illegal or highly regulated, others may be considered delicious or even disgusting. Nonetheless, mishandling them during preparation can have dire consequences. In this video, we will discuss several foods that have the potential to be deadly. Potatoes. Potatoes, a common staple in many diets, can pose a potential danger if consumed under certain circumstances. Leaves, stem, and sprouts of a potato contain a toxin called glycoalkaloids, which is found in nightshade plants. When potatoes are left in unfavorable conditions, they have a tendency to sprout. In such cases, it is advised to discard these potatoes entirely, even if you remove the sprouts, as the poison may have permeated the potato after an extended period of time. Red kidney beans. Although consuming raw foods is often associated with health benefits, it's important to be aware of the potential risks involved with certain raw foods. One such example is the red kidney bean. These beans contain toxins called lectins, which can be harmful to the cells in your stomach. To mitigate this risk, it is crucial to prepare red kidney beans properly. This involves soaking the beans in water for a minimum of 5 hours before consumption, which helps to reduce the levels of lectins and make them safe to eat. Rhubarb. Here's a friendly reminder to be mindful of your consumption of strawberry rhubarb pie during the summer. It's important to note that the leaves of rhubarb, which should not be used in baking or cooking, contain a substance called oxalic acid. Oxalic acid has been known to contribute to the formation of kidney stones. Therefore, it's advisable to avoid using rhubarb leaves in your culinary endeavors and enjoy the pie with caution. Cassava. Cassava, also known as tapioca, can be dangerous if prepared incorrectly or eaten raw. Improper handling can cause it to produce hydrogen cyanide, which is toxic. Sweet cassava has less cyanide, 20 milligrams per root, compared to the bitter variety, but even the sweet variety has enough poison to instantly kill an adult cow. So caution is necessary when dealing with cassava. Ackee. Ackee, the national fruit of Jamaica, can be deadly if not prepared correctly. Only the yellow parts should be consumed and cooked properly. Eating unripe or overripe ackee can cause Jamaican vomiting sickness, leading to seizures and fatal hypoglycemia. Caution is essential when handling and preparing ackee. Honey. It is important to be aware that natural honey contains pyrrolizidine alkaloids, a poisonous toxin. Unpasteurized honey poses a significant risk, as consuming even a teaspoon of it can result in symptoms such as headaches, dizziness, weakness, and vomiting that may persist for up to 24 hours. Ingesting a larger quantity can have lethal consequences. To ensure safety, it is advisable to opt for pasteurized honey as a safer alternative. Cashews. It's important to be aware that the cashews labeled as raw in stores are not truly raw. They undergo steaming to eliminate urushiol, a chemical also found in poison ivy. Actual raw cashews can be potentially fatal, particularly for individuals allergic to poison ivy. Therefore, if you happen to encounter cashews in their natural state, it is crucial to refrain from consuming them. Lima beans. In addition to red kidney beans, lima beans should also be handled with caution as they contain a chemical compound known as linamarine. This compound has the ability to convert into hydrogen cyanide, making lima beans potentially dangerous if not prepared properly. Elderberries. When working with elderberries, it's crucial to exercise caution. Although commonly used in jams, wines, and teas, elderberries contain cyanide-producing compounds in their seeds and leaves. Improper straining or using unripe fruit can result in severe nausea, potential coma, or even death. Therefore, proper handling and preparation are essential when using elderberries. Cherries. The pits of cherries, as well as plums, peaches, and apricots, contain compounds that can be converted into cyanide by our bodies. However, compared to these other fruits, cherries have smaller pits, making them easier to accidentally swallow. In fact, just 1 or 2 crushed cherry pits could be enough to cause fatality,